Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to start single crocheting, and we're going to be single crocheting off of a chain. So we've got our chain here, and to start we want to make sure that we're going into the second chain from the hook. And we want to go under just that top little bump on the chain. We're going to yarn over, pull it up through that little bump, yarn over again, and then pull it through both loops on your hook. And that's it. You just made your first single crochet. So again, we'll go into that top little bump on the chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through both loops on your hook. So now we'll do that one more time. Hook through the bump on the chain, yarn over, pull that loop up, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. So now we've got 3 single crochets. And now we can continue all the way down the chain, and I'll meet you guys at the end. So we finished our last single crochet on our chain, and it looks something like this. So each of the stitches that came from the chain now has a single crochet attached to it. And they all kind of look like little V's on top. Now that we're at the end of our chain, we've got no more stitches to go through. So we kind of have to turn around and go the other way. And we'll go back and forth to create a panel. So to turn our work around, we will chain 1 and then simply just turn the work to the other side. So we're not going to crochet into the chain, we're going to crochet under both loops of the single crochet prior. But otherwise, the stitch is exactly the same as if you were working off of the chain. You'll yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. So a single crochet is simply going through the stitch, yarning over, pulling up that loop, yarning over, and pulling through both loops on the hook. Now that we're at the end of the row, you can see we've got 2 rows of single crochet, and they go back and forth. If we want to continue on, we simply make a chain and crochet the other way. Thanks so much for watching.